Tips on landscaping plant boxes with leafy plants. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be sharing simple and creative tips on how to landscape plant boxes using different leafy plants. Leafy plants are perfect for adding texture, freshness, and a calming green vibe to any space, whether indoors or outdoors. Choose a variety of leafy plants. The key to a beautiful plant box is variety. Combine large leaf plants like monstera or philodendron with medium-sized plants, such as ferns, calatheas, or peace lilies. Then add small or trailing plants like pothos or ivy along the edges. This mix of shapes and sizes creates depth and makes your plant box look full and balanced. Focus on color and texture. Leafy plants come in many shades of green and even pattern leaves. Mix dark green leaves with light or variegated ones to add contrast. Glossy leaves next to soft or textured foliage also make your design more interesting. Don't be afraid to mix patterns. Just keep the color tones harmonious. Arrange plants with height and flow. When arranging your plant box, always think about height and flow. Place taller plants at the back or center, medium plants in the middle, and trailing plants at the front so they spill over the edges. This layered look gives your plant box a natural, landscaped feel, just like a mini garden. Landscaping plant boxes with leafy plants is all about balance, texture, and creativity. With the right mix of plants and a thoughtful arrangement, you can turn a simple box into a beautiful green display. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening and landscaping tips. See you in the next video.